Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to continue to interact with the options available in our wallet on Steemit. We'll show how to power up and power down in STEEM Power, how to transfer Steem and Steem dollars between accounts, and how we can transfer into and out of savings. So let's get to it. In our last video, we explored some parts of our wallet on Steemit and went through the process for how to deposit and withdraw funds. We saw that we can purchase Steem, Steem dollars, and Steem Power using BlockTrades. We then saw that we could sell Steem and Steem dollars using BlockTrades as well. Now we're going to be continuing to explore the remaining options we have available in our Steemit wallet. We'll start by checking out the options we have for Steem, then for Steem Power, then for Steem dollars. So let's go ahead and jump to Steemit and get inside our wallet. If we click on our current balance of Steem, we have the options to transfer, transfer to savings, power up, buy, sell, and market. Let's click on transfer. This option allows us to transfer Steem from our account to another Steemit account. So all we need to do here is fill out this to field to let Steemit know who to send the funds to, and then specify the amount that we want to send. We can also put in a public memo here for this transfer as well. Then, once you click on submit, if you're logged in with your posting key, then Steemit is going to make you specify your active or owner key to continue. Your active key is sufficient for this. And in fact, for all the remaining transfer options we'll be covering in this video, you'll need to authenticate with your active key in order to complete the transactions. Alright, so that sums up what this transfer option is. Going back to our other options under our Steem balance, the next one we have is transfer to savings. When we click on this option, we have to specify the amount of Steem we want to transfer to our savings account. Remember, we talked about the savings account in a previous video on how you make money on Steemit, so check that out if you haven't already. Alright, so really that's all there is to this option. Alright, so the next option we have is power up. Recall we previously discussed that the act of converting Steem to Steem Power is called powering up. And here is where we specify how much Steem we want to convert to Steem Power. So let's go ahead and specify a small amount of Steem here that we want to convert to Steem Power. So my current balance of Steem, it's showing as 3.4. I'm going to go ahead and power up 0.4 Steem into Steem Power. Before moving forward, let's check out this note here. It says Steem Power is non-transferable and requires 3 months or 13 payments to convert back to Steem. So once we convert to Steem Power, we're not going to be able to transfer it like we can Steem and Steem dollars. And if we want to power it back down into Steem, then this process is going to take 3 months to complete. We'll touch on this again when we discuss the power down transaction in a few moments. Alright, so we've got the amount we want to power up. Let's go ahead and click on power up now. Alright, and as expected, it's asking us to authenticate with our active or owner key. I've got my active key specified here. Let's go ahead and click on sign in. Alright, and if you notice now the balance of Steem has gone down by 0.4 to 3 Steem total, and my balance of Steem Power has increased. You can pause the video and go back and look at what this balance was before to verify. Alright, now also if we refresh this page, and then scroll down to our history, we can see that this transaction is indeed showing up here. Now back to our options for Steem. Following power up, we have these buy and sell options. We covered both of these in the last video, and there we saw to do these transactions, we'd be redirected to BlockTrades. Since we already covered all the details for these transactions, we won't cover them again here, but be sure to check out the previous video to review those details for these options if needed. Alright, and the last option we have under Steem is this market option. Clicking this takes us to steemit.com/market, where we have a view of the order book, the trade history, and another interface to buy and sell Steem. And in this interface, the prices are referenced in terms of Steem dollars. And actually, here you're able to buy and sell using limit orders. For more information on limit orders, be sure to check out the limit order videos on the DEEPLIZARD channel. So now we'll go ahead and navigate back to our wallet again. And we now see that we've covered all the options available for Steem transfers. So let's now move on to Steem Power. If we click on the options we have for Steem Power, we see that we can power down or buy Steem Power. Let's start with power down. When we click this, we need to specify the amount of Steem Power that we want to be converted to Steem. Recall, as we stated earlier, this process takes a total of 13 weeks to complete, with an amount of Steem Power being converted to Steem and deposited to your wallet each of those 13 weeks. We also have this note here that states that having less than 5 Steem Power in your account is not recommended for powering down, and it can leave your account in an unusable state. So definitely take note of that. But anyway, we need to specify the amount that we'd want to power down, and then we can view the estimate of how much Steem we can expect to be deposited each of those 13 weeks. Okay, so we'll go ahead and close out of this and view the other option we have for Steem Power, which is this buy option. This is again going to take us back to BlockTrades where we can purchase Steem Power. And we showed how to do this in our last video as well, so we're not going to cover it here. So let's go ahead and jump over to Steem Dollars now. Here we have the options to transfer to savings, market, buy, or sell. Now, all of these options are actually identical to what they were for Steem, except for here they will be for Steem Dollars rather than for Steem. So the transfer option is going to allow you to transfer Steem Dollars from your account to another Steem account. Transfer to savings allows you to transfer Steem Dollars to your savings account. The market page shows you the trade history and the order book. And lastly, the buy and sell options direct you to BlockTrades to do those respective transactions. Now, the last options we have available in our wallet are for the savings account. Clicking on the Steem balance in our savings, the only option we have is to withdraw Steem. So clicking on this, we can see that we just need to specify the amount we want to withdraw from savings, and note that it takes 3 days for this withdrawal period to complete when we're doing it from our savings account, whereas it's instant when we're not in our savings. So we'll go ahead and close this out. Then we see that we can also do this exact same thing for Steem Dollars by clicking on the Steem Dollar balance in our savings. Alright, so now we have fully completed all the ways we can interact with our wallet on Steemit. By following this video along with the previous one, you should now understand how to buy, sell, deposit, withdraw, convert, and transfer funds from your Steemit wallet. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Steemit goodness.